We have a new countertop and sink care kit, which is different than a restoration kit. Anything that's going to restore the seal will include the NuVibrants Restore, Revive, Refresh Composite Sink Treatment. Right? This 8-ounce spray bottle is in every kit we have for the 3-step process, and it's the only size we have. Step 1 is the Supreme Surface Scum and Mineral Deposit Remover. This product will remove all the grease and grime that's on your sink, all right? Mineral deposit, soap, scum residue, just everyday grime that you'll find in composite or on composite sinks or on the countertop, right? Showers, dirty grout. There's another video on that. That's an excellent product. Learn more about it. And so deep clean it with step 1, the Scum and Mineral Deposit Remover. Restore the seal, refresh the colors, right? Make everything more vibrant, fill in light scratches with this long-lasting solution, the NuVibrants Composite Sink Treatment. And then step 3, depending on the kit, will depend on the size that you have, right? This is an 8-ounce soft pack of the all-in-one Stone Care Cleaner Polish Sealer. It will clean, it will shine, and will protect your sink and your countertops unlike anything else on the market, making surfaces smoother, easier to clean, and keep clean, right? Helps resist stains. Things can't really stick to it. That's why it's meaningful, and you can use a soft sponge. Our kits include the soft sponge, right? But this soft sponge is all you need on your sink with dish soap. Rinse it, wipe it dry, use this frequently, and you're going to be problem-free, and you're going to love it, all right? That's it. That's a sign. It works with all these 3 steps. And you have maybe granite or quartz countertops too, all right? Check out the big 3 with Seal and Refresh, because this daily cleaner, the Supreme Surface Daily Stone Cleaner, is a streak-free multi-surface product used for countertops. You don't need it for your sink. It's pH neutral, alcohol-free, ammonia-free, phosphate-free. It's truly streak-free with a paper towel. Thank you for watching. My name's Tom. I hope you learned something today. Let me know in the comments if you have questions, all right? Please like and subscribe.